Hello everyone, once again welcome all of you in Maths Online class. Students, in this video, firstly we will solve the homework, means previous homework, then we solve the some types question of the exponent, and which one is a very important, means very important types of questions. This type question is very important and we can solve easily, so let's start now. Today's first question is means firstly we will solve the HW, which one, previous. So look here in the first question is find the value. So look here, minus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 3 divide by 3 upon 8 raised to the power minus 2. And listen, in the exponent, power is very important. Firstly, you observe the power of the any question. So what is here? Minus 3, minus 2 means powers are given in a negative form. And you know very well, so how we can solve the if any numbers have power is a negative? By the negative exponent rule. And in this rule, we can write the opposite of the given number and the power. Means what is the given number? Fraction form 1 upon 4. And what is the opposite of fraction? This fraction 1 upon 4, opposite will be 4 upon 1. And what is the opposite of minus 3? Minus 3 opposite will be plus 3, and you can also write without plus. Then minus 4 upon 1 raised to the power 3 divide by 8 upon 3 raised to the power 2. Why 8 upon 3? We can write the 3. Here is what is written here? 3 upon 8. So what is the opposite of the 3 upon 8? So opposite of 3 upon 8 is 8 upon 3. And now what is the opposite of minus 2? Plus 2. So we can write without plus sign. So this is a 2. Then minus 4 upon 1 means you can also say only 4. You can say only 4 or minus 4 upon 1. Both are equal. So minus 4 upon 1 raised to the power 3 means not a minus 4 multiplied by 3. Means minus 4 multiplied by 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. So then after the multiplication we get what? Minus 64. Then, and this is the division. You keep in mind this is a division, and you know very well how you can solve the division of fraction. So this is fraction division. So division, write the opposite sign. What is the opposite of the division sign? Multiplication. Then 3 upon 8 again. Now this is the lesson. 3 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. Don't confuse in the both line, because this line according to convert minus 2, and this means this fraction convert according to the division. So 3 upon 8, then open the bracket. 3 upon 8 raised to power 2 means 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 times. After multiplication we get what? 9 upon 64. Then minus 64 multiplied by 9 upon 64. Then 64 and 64 is cancelled. What is left here? Minus 1 and 9. Multiply after, then we get what? Minus 9. Then second is question. Question number second is a minus 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1. Bracket close, divide by 2 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. So everywhere you find the raised to power minus 1. So I think understood you how you can solve this type questions. 4 upon minus 4 raised to power minus 1 means we can write the like as in this form. In which form? In this form, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 8 divide by 3 upon 2. Why? Because this power is given minus. Then we can write the opposite of this fraction of the given fraction, and the power also opposite according to this rule, negative power rule, a raised to power n. So we can write the a upon 1 upon a power n, or opposite a upon 1. Then 4 and 8, both are different denominator, solve like as a fraction addition. We find the LCM, you know how we can solve. So find the LCM, 4 and 8 LCM, what? 8. Will be 8, 8, then 4 2s are 2 plus 8 1s are 1. Then divide by 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 8, 3 upon 8, multiply. Why multiply? You know what is here given? Given the division, and you know how we can solve the division of fraction. 2 upon 3, write the reciprocal of the second fraction. What is second fraction? 3 upon 2. So what is the reciprocal of the second fraction? 2 upon 3, 3 upon 8, multiply by 2 upon 3, 3 and 3 cancel, 3 1s are 3 1s are. 3 and 3 cancel. You know very well how we can, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s, right? 1 upon 4, the answer will be 1 upon 4. Now the second question. In this question, so this was all about the homework. Now the second question, what is given second question? Second question is given the find the reciprocal. What is given? Question is saying find the reciprocal of the given question. And what is question is given here? Look, this is a not an easy question, but if you know the rule, then you make easy questions. This one, 8 upon 11 raised to the power 2, then again bracket raised to the power minus 5, means minus 5 raised to the whole the power 8 upon 2. So multiply by 11 upon 8 upon 11, 11 upon 8 raised to the power minus 12. So look here, this 2 power 2 and power of power. Which rule we can apply here? Power of power, means multiply the, means we can multiply the power if the base are same there. What is base here? 8 upon 11, power, then again power. So we can multiply the power. After the multiplication, we get what? 5 2s are 10, plus minus minus, then 8 upon 11 raised to the power minus 10, multiply by 11 upon 8 raised to the power minus 12. Again you find the what? Again you have the negative exponent. So we can solve according to the negative rule. So by this rule, then answer means then this number we can write in this form, 11 upon 8 raised to power 10 multiply by 8 upon 11 raised to power 12. Understood? Yes. Now next, listen, look here. 11 upon 8 raised to power 10 means 11 upon 8 multiply by how many times? 10 times. And then 8 upon 11 raised to power 12 means 8 upon 11 multiply by 12 times. 12 times. This is a 10 times, this is 12 times. Look here, this is a numerator, here 11, and here is 11 the denominator. And here is a 8 is a numerator and 8 is a numerator and 8 is a denominator. Both are opposite, means 11 in this number, numerator, here is denominator, here is a numerator. But here is a 10, here is a 12. Means after the multiplication, we get what? In this box, we get the 10, 11. How many 11? 10, 11. And here 10, 8. And here 12, 8. And 12, 11. So we can cancel each other. After the cancellation, we get, means, look here how many 11 is? 10. So 10, all the 10 11s cancel from here and then here. यहाँ से cancel हुआ. Now 8 same as 8. 8 cancel from here 10 and from the 10 here. So what is the left here? Here is a 2 8 left and 2 11 left. Means we can write like as 8 upon 11 raised to the power 2. Understood? Listen. Ye 11, how many is 11 are here? 10. And how many is 11 are here? 12. So 10, 11 cancel from here. So how many left here? 2, and here is a 2 8 left. So we can write the 8 upon 11. But question is asking what is the reciprocal? So reciprocal of 8 upon 11 raised to power 2 is 11 upon 8 raised to power 2. And after the solution, we get what? 121 upon 64, because when we multiply the 11 two times, then we get the 121 and 8 8s are 64. 11 and 11s are 121 and 8 8s are 64. Then now next question is third question. This type question, look here, this is a, you can also say like this a find x so that. Keep in mind this type question is a very important type questions. Some type sometimes you confuse the student in this type questions. Look here, find the x so that 5 upon x raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 5 on x 5 upon 7 raised to power minus 11. 5 upon 7 raised to power minus 3 multiplied by 5 upon 7 raised to power minus 11 is equal to 5 upon 7 raised to power 7x. And then question is saying find the value of x. Where is the given x? Given is x here. First, in the exponential questions, firstly match the bases, then match the power, then you think which rule you can apply there. So look here, this part means left hand side, and look the right hand side. So look here, what is given left hand side and what is given right hand side? In the left hand side, 5 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Both base are same here. Both bases are same. Yes, good. Then 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7 and power. Base are same. So how we can solve? We can use the which rule? Multiplying power with the same base. Then we can add the power. If the base are same, then we can add the power. And now in the next step, so we can add the power 5 upon 7. Base right same as. So what is the base here? In both 5 upon 7, 5 upon 7. So we can write common 5 upon 7 and we can add the base. So minus 3 plus minus 11. So we can write the two sign together. So right for the minus 11 we can use the bracket. Now bracket is here. So minus 3 plus bracket minus 11 is equal to 5 upon 7 raised to power 7x. Keep as same. Now then 5 upon 7 raised to power minus 14. Minus 3 plus minus. Minus 3 plus minus 11 plus minus minus. Then this is a minus, this is a minus. Both are same sign. Same sign means add. You can add the both number 11, 3, 14. Then but sign will be same. Then minus 14. And look here. If you find in this any question in this type condition, 5 upon 7 raised to power minus 14 is equal to 5 upon 7 raised to power 7x. This is equation. You can say this is equation because here is the x, here is the, this side means where is the right hand side, and here is a, so x what is a x, you can say x, you know that in equation x is a variable and numbers are a constant. So 5 upon 7 minus 14 is equal to 5 upon 7, 7x. In this type question, so firstly you match the bases. What is the base here? 5 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Both are side of base same means when the base of the both sides are equal. Listen carefully. When the base of both sides are equal, their power must also be equal. Means उनके power भी equal होने चाहिए. Base अगर if the base are same, then must power will be there equal. So what is the base are? 5 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Now we can make the equal power by the transposition method, by the equation. Therefore minus 14 is equal to 7x. So by the transposition method, x is equal to minus 14 upon 7. This is the multiplication, and you know when the transport the or when the shift the number, then sign will be changed. 7 is a multiplication with the x, then multiplication convert in division. So we can write the minus 14 upon 7. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. Then answer will be x is equal to minus 2. So what is the value of x here? Is that x is equal to minus 2. Now last question of today. So what is the question is here? By what, this is as a word problem, by what number should 2 upon 3 minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 1. Again I will read the question. By what number should 2 upon 3 minus 2 be multiplied so that the product is 4 upon 27 minus 1 raised to power minus 1. Look here, question is saying which number. So how we can find this question? You don't know which number. So let be the number is x simply. So let be the required number is be x. Then so 2 upon 3, question saying multiply. So we can multiply x with together 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2. So x multiplied by 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 27 raised to power minus 1. This is the equation. Here you find the equation. So you can solve the equation very well. I know by the transposition method. So what is here? Firstly, we look the power, convert the both power in a positive form. So x multiplied by 3 upon 2 raised to power 2. You know how. And then 27 upon 4. Then x multiplied by 9 upon 4 is equal to 27 upon 4. Open the brackets, means open the power. 3 upon 2 raised to power 2 means 3 upon 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So x multiplied by 9 upon 4 is equal to 27 upon 4. Equation. So easily, you can easily solve now. So x is equal to 27 upon 4 divided by 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. Same. Division. You know how we can solve the division of fraction. So x is equal to 27 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 9. Write the reciprocal of the 9 upon 4. Then 27 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 9. 4 1s are 4 1s are 4 4 cancel. And the 9 1s are 9 3s are 27. Then x is equal to 3. Then hence the required number is 3. I hope you understood. So today's homework is solve the exercise 2B. Question number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So I have attached your homeworks in description.